Ito ang latest update sa nawawalang teacher at beauty queen na si Catherine Camilan.
Again, I'd like to reiterate yung sinabi ni RC na we are hoping for the best pero we are expecting the worst. So yan po yung sa flow po ng investigation namin, wala po talaga kaming hindi po namin masasabi kung wala na talaga, pero base po doon sa account ng witnesses namin, it appears na yun na nga po, yung patay na nga po. Base doon sa account ng witnesses na.
Posibleng patay na si Catherine, ito ang naging pahayag ng CIDG sa nawawalang teacher at beauty queen. Ito ang sinabi ni CIDG Deputy Region 4A, Deputy Major Nilo Moralios kung pagbabasehan nila ang salaysay ng mga testigo. Nauna nang sinibak sa serbisyo si Police Major Alan De Castro, na itiuturing na pangunahing sospek sa pagkawala ni Catherine Camilan.
I would like to announce the dismissal of Police Major Alan Abenya De Castro from the PNP service effective January 16, 2024, signed by me, following an extensive investigation conducted by our Regional Internal Affairs Service 4A.
We are hoping for the best but we are expecting the worst. Hindi po namin masabi kung wala na po talaga, pero based po sa account ng witnesses namin, it appears na yun na nga po, napatay na po. Matatandaan na sumuko noong nakaraang linggo sa mga awtoridad ang driver bodyguard ni De Castro, na si Jeffrey Magpantay, na isa sa mga sospek sa pagkawala ni Catherine. Matatandaan na naiulat na nawawala si Catherine noong October 12, kung saan nag-alok pa ng pabuya ang mga kapulisan ng 250,000 pesos, sa sinumang makakapagturo sa kinaroroonan ng dalaga. Noong Nobyembre, isiniwalat ng PNP na 2 testigo ang nagsabing nakita nila ang 3 lalaki, na inilipat ang katawan ni Catherine sa ibang sasakyan. Na-recover ng mga pulis ang abandonadong sasakyan, na sinasabing pinaglipatan kay Catherine, kung saan nakakuha ang mga otoridad ng ilang hibla ng buhok, na nagmamatch kay Catherine at sa kanyang magulang. Sa kabila ng balitang posibleng patay na si Catherine, mapa hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin nalalaman ng mga otoridad ang kanyang kinaroroonan.
Today, I would like to announce the dismissal of Police Major Alan Abenya De Castro from the PNP service effective January 16, 2024, signed by me, following an extensive investigation conducted by our Regional Internal Affairs Service 4A. The case against Major De Castro stemmed from allegations of conduct and becoming of a police officer after a series of thorough investigations by the Regional 4A uncovering evidences of an illicit and extramarital affair between the respondent and the missing Catherine Camilan. Police Major De Castro's dismissal serves as a significant step in ensuring that individuals entrusted with the responsibilities of safeguarding our people are held accountable for their actions. We are committed to the conduct of fair and impartial investigations and to any allegations of misconduct regardless of our personnel's rank or position. Hindi natin nahayaan na masangkot sa anumang katulad ng insidente ang ating mga personnel that will retain the image of the PNP, especially here in the Police Regional Office, Calabarzon. This dismissal from the service underscores the commitment of the command in maintaining the highest standard of conduct and integrity within our ranks. This reflects our dedication to transparency, accountability, and upholding the principles of justice. As your regional director, I assure the public that the dismissal of Police Major Alan De Castro is an independent administrative action and is separate from the ongoing criminal investigation related to the disappearance of Ms. Catherine Papilon. The legal process will continue to unfold and updates will be provided to the media and the public as necessary. Thank you and once again, good morning.
Thank you, sir.
Evidences were gathered from the affidavit from the friend of Ms. Camilon. At ito yung kasama niyang contestant sa beauty videos. May mga photos and of course yung palitan nila ng text messages. Merong parts doon na pag hindi nagkakaintindihan itong si Major De Castro at itong si Catherine, doon nagsusumbong itong si Ms. Camilon doon sa kaibigan niya.
Para sa mga karagdagang kwento, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga bagong videos.